And today I'm going to be showing you how to watch some cool videos and stuff in CMD. So first you gotta open CMD. No, not PowerShell CMD. And then, oh yeah, to do this you're going to have to make sure, go to Windows, yeah, turn Windows features on and off, and look for Telnet. Just turn it on and press OK. I think you might need to restart the computer after you do that, or it might just work. And then you have to type in this command, telnet, so at telehack.com, and then it opens up this with a bunch of things you can do. I'm pretty sure there's a Star Wars one. Basic. Let's see, basic. Dot Minesweeper. Yeah, but after you do that, you'll need to Q. Oh, there. You'll need to do this though, Q. You'll have to reopen CMD. And then, oh yeah. I did not mean to do that. But I'll show you one, I guess. .com. Is that something? What if Telnet? Roblox Tech. Oh! Ooh, this might be interesting. Can I just view Roblox on Telnet? And then you can do new user. Yes. Your name. Well, then what do I make? Well, I don't remember my Fortnite username. Well, I guess I'm about to see what my Epic username is. Okay, sorry, I guess I'll just use my YouTube name. No, not down there. How did you get down there? CLS. Who would CLS as their username anyway? Trex underscore does underscore stuff. Okay, we can't. I think it's because we have underscore. Trex dash does dash stuff. Well, what do I make my username? I'm just doing stuff like circuits? No, that's what they already done. Lego Luigi. Lego Luigi. Lego green. Lego green. Yes, finally! Yes. And yeah, I'm just going to pause the recording once I'm done with this. Okay, and this happened. I don't know what this. help, I guess? Oh, this just is. Ooh, Sudoku. I like Sudoku. Sudoku, Sudoku. So, so it has to be in a range from 9 to 10, and it can't be 9, 7, 6, or 2. 1. And there's not a 1 in the box yet. Okay, next. Here should be... It's... So it can't be a 2. It can't be a 1 or a 4 just because 1, 2, or 4. Just because that's in the same box and the goal of Sudoku. So find a way. You know what? Okay. This isn't... Why am I just playing Sudoku? There's other stuff to show. Okay. And now we just... Oh, yeah, it's telehack.com. Here we go. Login. No, that's join. Login. Oh, come on, how do I log in? What weather? I guess we'll go to weather. Oh, I think that's because I needed to in CMD. Now let's just go ahead and go to telehack.com. What? Oh, I misspelled it. That's a tele. No, not tell. Help. Now, where's login? Let's try. MAC address. Login. It's login my user. Login. I forgot what my username was already. Great. Login. Login. I forgot I was gonna make my username. Oh, I made my username. This is just great CMD. We go. Oh, that's login. That's not login. Fine. I'll just be back once this is. Actually, I'm just going to add together 2 videos and I'm just going to resume this to find my username. Yeah, okay, so I found the username. So I gotta go to Telnet, telehack, telehack.com, log in. That's, oh no, I see where I'm mixed up. Login, Lego green. Okay. You have mail. Mail. Forward to you. I'm surprised no one's name is. Oh yeah, it did say like. Okay, Q. So, users, I guess. Users. Come on. Is this just everyone who uses telehack? Q. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. CLS. I'm surprised that worked. Well, let's play some Minesweeper. Oh my goodness. Over. Oh, wait. That means these one of these three isn't a bomb. This one has two connected to it, so that means this might not be the bomb. This is the one that has the. This is the one that has the best chance of not being the bomb, and it was the one that had the bomb. Great. Okay. Why is there? I can't think of anything else. Space Invaders? Space Invaders. CLS. List. Okay, so CLS. Type. No, back. Type. 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 CLS. Blah. Type. What's the world? And I guess color. Great. Oh, I have to go to CMD. I can't just do that on Windows. CMD. Color 3. At echo off. CLS. Echo CLS. Echo goodbye. And then we have this. Bye. We're done.